Hi guys, Taz here and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create these cute mini bows with just a fork and a piece of ribbon. Let's get started. Okay, so the ribbon that I chose is something that I purchased a few weeks ago because I wanted to do a little project and I needed a bit of a ribbon. So as our bows are really tiny, I'm gonna you don't want it to be too small or too big, but if you have a bit of extra, you can later cut the excess. So to begin, we're going to put the ribbon behind the fork. The left part, as you guys can see, is going to be slightly shorter. We're going to bring it to the front, hold everything in place, make sure nothing slides away, and then the back one is going to come to the front. It's going to go through the center and pull it right to the back. And this is where we don't want anything to slip, so make sure you're holding everything down, and then it's going to come from the top center back to the front. This is where we get to see our little bow creating, as you guys can see. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to put the fork down and tie this into a perfect knot. So you just want to get both ends and tie them into a really tight knot. Okay, so this is where we're going to pull off the bow from the fork, and I'm just going to go play around and get everything in place. You can put the both straps, the extra little lacy parts at the bottom, or you can pull them to the top. This is where you just play around to get it in the perfect shape as you prefer and just make it to look like a proper bow. So now I'm super happy with how it looks. I'm going to trim the excess and I'm going to give it diagonal like as we do in the bows. So I did this, but I still thought it's too long, so I did cut more of it to be a shorter little version of my bow. And here I am with my cute mini bow. I absolutely love these. You can get to make so many in less than like 5-10 minutes because it's super fast, and I literally like stick them everywhere, and also I glue them to some shirts, t-shirts. I just love them. I'm really obsessed with bows these days. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Until my next video, I will see you guys very soon.